Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. Welcome to the class of biology. Today we are going to study about the asexual reproduction, that is the concept of reproduction in animals. Sexual reproduction already you have studied. We'll begin with the asexual. So let's begin with that. So the sexual reproduction, in the sexual reproduction two parents are involved, male and female parent, okay, and in that there will be the fusion of male and female gametes. Gametes means sex cells. So that is a fusion of male and female gametes. So that is the sexual reproduction. And in sexual reproduction जो भी चाइल्ड प्रोड्यूस होगा, जो भी चाइल्ड डेवलप होगा, जो भी इंडिविजुअल होगा, उसके अंदर जो भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है वो सारी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स मेल और फीमेल दोनों की होगी, ओके, मेल और फीमेल दोनों की होगी. सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विद द asexual reproduction. Okay, so let's begin with our chapter, that is reproduction in animals. So before moving with our topic, first let us understand the meaning of reproduction. So simply, the reproduction means to reproduce. So what is the reproduction in animals? It is the biological process by which new individual organism, or you can say offspring, or the young one, are produced from their parents. Now the question is, why is it necessary? Why is it essential? Because it is a fundamental feature of all known life. So each individual organism exists as the result of reproduction. So for the survival of species on the earth, the reproduction is necessary. Now there are two types of reproduction, sexual and asexual. So as I have explained, the sexual reproduction, it involves two parents. So there is a fusion of male and female gametes. It fertilizes. After fertilization will form the zygote. After the development of zygote, it will reproduce the young one. So this is how the organisms produced sexually. Now let us see what is asexual reproduction. So in this, single parent is involved. So here all the characteristics in the young one will be the same as of that particular parent. Means the young one, the offspring, will be the identical copy of the parent. Now there are bacteria and viruses and some animals also which are produced asexually. So what is the definition for asexual reproduction? It is a process by which organisms create genetically similar or identical copies of themselves without contribution of any genetic material from another organism. So bacteria divide asexually via binary fission. This is one of the method of asexual reproduction. Then there is another method, that is budding, and one more method is fragmentation. So before moving with asexual reproduction, let's see the difference between sexual and asexual reproduction. So as we all know, in the sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. Hence, in that the offspring is having the characteristics of both parent, male and female. Whereas in asexual reproduction, single parent is involved. Hence, the offspring will be the identical copy of the parent. Means all the characteristics of that parent. Then you can write down the examples of asexual and sexual reproduction. You can write down the methods also. So let's begin with the types of asexual reproduction. So here is the first one, that is budding. So let's take one example of hydra, that how hydra reproduces asexually. So in the parent hydra, on the body of parent hydra, there is a tiny bump appears. This tiny bump will develop to bud, and as the time passes, this bud will grow, and after that growth will detach from the parent hydra and will become an independent hydra. So this is how the hydra reproduces asexually. Let's take one more example of that budding, that is yeast. So this is the yeast, and here the tiny bud will develop. This bud will grow and there will be the chain of the buds. So this is how the yeast reproduces asexually. Now let's take again the example of hydra with the animation. So here you can see the hydra, and we know the method also. Now see here the tiny bump is creating, then this bump will create to bud, and this bud will grow and will detach from the hydra and will become the young hydra. So this is how the. Let's take one more example of budding, that is yeast. So in this cell will develop to another bud, the new bud will create, this will create the chain of the buds, and this is how it will reproduce. Let's see the next method, that is binary fission. So what happens in this asexual reproduction? The animal reproduces by dividing itself into two individuals. So this method is known as binary fission. For this we'll take the example of amoeba. In this, the cell of amoeba, the nucleus of amoeba will elongate to two, and then its cytoplasm will be divided, and then they both will be reproduced as independent two daughter cells. Here is another example of that. This is how their nucleus are dividing, and then after their cytoplasms are dividing and they are becoming individual two daughter cells. See, in this way. Now let's take one more example of it. Here one more example of protozoa which produces by binary fission. So just take a look from this one, how they will divide into two. Here this is how they are dividing. And now they will split into two and they both will become the new individuals. So this is the method of binary fission. We have seen two methods. One is budding and another is binary fission. Now let's see the new method, third method, that is fragmentation. It's very easy. It's based on its name only. What is fragmentation? So what is fragmentation? Here we have taken example of planaria. So this will divide into fragments. One individual will divide into fragments and then after each fragment will become the daughters. So here I have taken one example of planaria. This parent planaria divides into 3 fragments and each fragment becomes the individual planaria. So this is the fragmentation method. Let's take its example. See, here is the planaria and now let's see how it reproduces. Here they are cutting it into 2. So now both the fragments will work as a daughter cells and they becomes individual planaria. So this is the method of asexual reproduction, that is fragmentation. See. Further they are fragmenting it. So from 1 we have done 2 and from that second one they have again made 2. So these are the methods of asexual reproduction. Now in next video we will continue with the next method, that is cloning method. Now let us see the cloning method. In this cloning method, what happens? This is the biotechnology, refers to the process of creating clones of organisms. Clones means it's copies of cells. So in this method, you will get the identical species. So mostly this cloning are done in animals also, and this can be done in plants also. For animals, if you have heard one sheep, that is the dolly sheep. That is the cloned animal. Cloned animal means the animal which produced by the cloning method. So in this there are 3 types of cloning: gene cloning, reproductive cloning and therapeutic cloning. So in this dolly sheep, to get the best quality of wool, they have introduced this method and they have introduced the dolly sheep. So what happens in this cloning method? Here from this tissue shell donor and from this they are taking cells from that, and then from these egg cells the nucleus are getting removed from both, from this donor and from this one, male and female. From both of them they are removing that nucleus, egg cells, and from that egg cells they are removing the nucleus. Then after, by applying the electric current, they are fusing the nucleus, both of that, male and female. So that reconstructed embryo grows for 7 days and forms zygote. मीन्स ये जो भी है एम्ब्रियो वो 7 डेज के लिए रहेगा और ग्रो करेगा. आफ्टर दैट ग्रोथ दे विल इम्प्लांट इट इनटू द सरोगेट मदर. यानी ये जो जाइगोट है उसे सरोगेट मदर में इम्प्लांट करेंगे. एंड दिस विल गिव बर्थ टू द क्लोन्ड एनिमल. सो सच मेथड इज नोन एज द क्लोनिंग मेथड. Understood this cloning method? What happens in this? They are getting sex cells from both of them, then they are removing the nucleus from it, and then they are fusing that nucleus, forming embryo. That embryo grows for 7 days and then implanted to the surrogate mother, the mother which carries that zygote. And that mother, surrogate mother, will give birth to the cloned animal. So these are the methods of asexual reproduction. Now in next video we will continue with the exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Have a great day.